Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my another videos, and today this legend bring you one interesting product. Oh, I found it in a supermarket, and this kind of interesting. It costs me around $1.5, and I think it is a great product. Yeah, Clean DRX keyboard cleaning system with antibacterial solution. This is antibacterial solution inside. Okay, clean hard and rich space in key between key. Dual side sponge with specially designed for desktop and low profile laptop keyboard. Yeah, this sponge is great, I think. uh, Remove germ, dirt and fingerprint oil. What? Remove germ? Every time I think germs stay forever. Yeah. At the back, this is the direction to use. Just take it off. Yeah, and spray this one. Spray this solution in the sponge, and you can clean and put it back. Clean your keyboard safety. Okay, if you want to read, you just pause it and you can read it. Okay. Yeah, and yeah, it's great, and I think I should cut this open. Oh well, wait, how can I cut it? Okay, this one is easy. Oh, this shell is hard. Actually, tear it off is easier. Oh, safety. Oh shit, this is hard. Oh, smells great. Why this is hard to open? Okay, get this one off. It's still very hard in this case. Oh man. Oh, this is the greatest challenge ever. I'll open a box. Okay, this is it. This, yay!
Congratulations! Quack, quack. Congratulations! Congratulations!
Okay. Wow. Oh, cool. Oh, fingerprint. Wow. What? Oh, let me see the instruction. First, select appropriate size of sponge based on keyboard type. Oh, keyboard type. Oh, this is good. It have keyboard type in this. What can I do? This one is sticky. Why? Okay. Oh, take it off. Here you can change the size of keyboard. I think I should use this one because my keyboard is not so high. Yeah, so I'll put this one back. Oh, it's hard to use, man, but I hope it is Good. Okay. Step 2. Spray. Oh, spray this one first. First you spray it. Wait, here, okay. Take it off. Take it off, I spray it in the sponge. Great. It smells really good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. That's enough. Put it back. I will put it back and clean this up. See how well it can clean. Okay, this is my keyboard. It's kind of messy. So it fit. Oh, let's wrap it. What? Okay. Wow, it's kind of satisfying. It's easy to clean. It's better than a messy keyboard. So okay. Wait. Ooh. This is so easy to clean if you take this one off. Okay, this is easier. Yeah, even the instruction is you should put this one back, but no, this is easier. Wow, as you can oh no, not yet. When it dry, you will see how good it is. As you can see, it started to dry, my keyboard, and it look better than before, as I expect. Yeah. Wow, great. No dirt in this one. No dirt in this keyboard left. Wow, this is a great product with $1.5, and you can you can buy this product to clean your keyboard. That is great product. So yeah, but I would give this product 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. The problem that I'm so suck about this one is this cap is hard to open. See, it's really hard to open. It's not easy as it look. It's not easy as it look. You see, it's really hard to open. And another thing is, this one can take off. That's great. And another thing is, if you put it with this in the shell, it's hard to clean. But it doesn't matter, if you take it off, you can easily clean. And another thing is, this plastic is so sticky. I don't know why it's so sticky, but I feel like it's sticky. So stick. But anyway, for $1.5, you can get this great keyboard cleaner. I suggest you to get this one. So yeah, let me just put it back, put all in back. It's so hard. Okay. What? How can I put this one back? This is why this product is getting 3 out of 5, man. Okay, slide back here. Yeah, okay, it's in place. Let me put my sponge back. Done. It's easy for you to carry around, to put it in your bag, but what I don't like is this one is sticky. And yeah, that is great product, looking cool. Okay, and I think this pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, looks so new. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I back you guys, as I back you for around 39 to 40 times in my videos. Please subscribe to me. A lot of you just watching my video without subscribe, so subscribe. You make me feel good and make more video for you guys. So please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next. Oh, please like and comment. And what I like to tell you guys, if you guys comment down, I will be happy. And please, if you subscribe to me, comment down that you subscribe, and I will subscribe to you back. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.